Let's get cooking. What up, Naoko? What up, Jackson? Good morning. Tesla over 9,000. Did it pump? This isn't updated yet. I thought it normally tells you like pre-market, no? Oh. Jesus. Well, well, well. Holy smokes. Alrighty. Cool. Anybody who took earnings is eating. Or earning plays. Alright, 4 hour. We're in this gap. A candle closure above this is a bullish trade idea. That's what I'll be watching. We're in the lower portion of this wick from yesterday. Failing to hit the CE. Let's make this a different color. No, that's hideous. Alright, 30 minute. Nothing. We have SMT up here. Nope. 15 minute. No CSD. 830 high. Been trying to short to 370 but keep getting stop break even. I know Mitswami took it and it looked good, but I just can't. He's been in. He took leaps way earlier. Like when they got that first initial pump and then it died again. Probably take data low, maybe. Finally got a closure below here. Watch this if it's a negative order block. Respecting bearish PD raise. Did it ES take out its data high? No, it didn't. And it left equal lows. I got in at 210 on Tesla. Nice. That was suspicious. Data low taken on NQ, but not on ES, and I don't like the SMT. Only YM took out data high. NQ hasn't taken out data high either. It's right here. Data low's down here. Yeah, so this is the fake low right here, most likely. And I got this happened to me too, because if you zoom out, right, go to the 30-minute chart. This is your 830 low. This will most likely get taken, since bearish PD rays are being respected so far. Because this happened the other day, and I got stopped out. That I don't trust the 1 minute. The 1 minute doesn't necessarily matter with stuff like that. And you guys see this? There's like no manipulation below. It's just aggressive repricing at midnight price. That's how I think I'm expecting the data low to come, or the 8:30 low. We'll see, right? Bunch of stacked lows on the higher time frame. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, exactly. That's how you guys can tell this is a fake low. What's that a high and low? Well, if you go the 1 minute, right, it's here, 20,000 for 28.50, and then it's here at 83, whatever the low of this candle. Yeah, 83, 383. But if you zoom out on the 30 minute, this low, the 8:30 candle low has not been taken yet. So that's what happened to me the other day. I got stopped out. But we should fill this in most likely. This is kind of my draw on liquidity, I believe. Because it's that swing low, 30-minute swing low right before an hourly FEG. So that's probably where we're going. I think we hit it at open or 9:45 news release. Oop, we should slam it at open. I mean, look how close ES is, right? Same thing, 8:30 low in the candle. If this leaves an FVG, I might try and get in here. I'll have to reevaluate real quick, but because I think this is gonna happen fast. That's my draw. It did leave. I'm gonna try half size short. Stop by 5. Short here. Buy up there. This low still isn't taken yet. It might not even retrace though, because we're consolidating. This might be a breakaway gap. Alright, I'll cancel my order. I kind of wanted to be in before that, but I still might get in. We'll see how this. If obviously if this gets taken, I'm not gonna get in, but. And where does ES have that same kind of thing? Yeah, here's ES's hourly gap too. Go, shawty. Yeah, I mean, you could just buy right off of this here, anticipating that to be a breakaway gap, because ES already repriced into its. But I'll still get in if it lets me. But I'm not gonna get in unless it's this upper FEG. No, I'm not getting in now. ES took out, or ES tapped the hourly FVG. NQ will most likely follow suit, but yeah, got lower probability for me, for sure. So this is hourly FVG high. Data low. Now I'm interested to see how this 8:30 low reacts if it continues to act as resistance or not. Let's zoom out. Yeah, I don't think this low is protected down here. I gotta look at what was that other day? Oh god dang it. Happened the other day. Was it Monday? No, it was last week. It was like whenever that was yesterday. That's Sunday. Didn't I upload a YouTube video on it? I think I did. That I gotta check that day out because it was last Thursday, the 15th, or last Tuesday. Hold on, peeps. Is this will? Oh no, this isn't the day either, bruh. See, there's that. Yeah, NQ followed suit. Look at that. I mean, you can't make it up, bruh. That's exactly. I should have been in that. Nah, I told myself no already. But data low, smacks it to the penny, goes down. I mean, what else do you need, bruh? And then here's midnight. That 3 a.m. low is most likely not protected. But we'll just wait now. Where was that low, bruh? I don't like to enter at 9:30 when there's that like SMT like we had, even though, ES was most likely going to follow, or NQ is most likely going to follow, but not my cup of tea. Because the open is highly manipulated, so. ES never even came close to data low, just dumping. Well, everything worked out. Once again, 8:30. Yeah. That was a good trade. Or a good trade idea, at least. So now we're below midnight. We're below 8:30. So I think we're in a deep discount now. 3 a.m. low swept. So London expanded. New York should hit OTE or discount and then reverse, most likely. And now I'm kind of looking for data high, but obviously not right this second. But we'll see how we react here. Yes, 3 hour London low. Oh, we still have London low or Asia low down here. Did we take Asia lows? No, we didn't yet. We'll probably clear that out too. Most likely. This is Asia low. Asia low. Maybe we can still form a trade idea here. Catch some of this. Let's use the 8:30 price leg. Feel like we go lower off this fair value. I could be wrong, but industry is weak in this draw. Where do you have equilibrium of this range? I'm using this last move, so this low of yesterday to the high of today. What fair value gap is that? That hourly? See, I'm not gonna. I don't. I'm not gonna short this yet. I'll see what happens if we get up into this. If we even get there. ES looks really, really weak. But I don't like to initially short right after like a 3 a.m. low gets taken, something like that. But I think Asia low is in play. And there's, yeah, I'm just gonna stay patient. 'Cause this is what you don't want to see when you're in a short, right? Yeah, so there's EQ of this. I'm gonna delete this. There's that premium FEG with that one low. Fair value gap SMT with ES so far. We really shouldn't get through this FEG. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. If we get through here, we're probably gonna go to data high. I'm just sitting. Yeah, exactly. Me too. Hits the EQ. OTE. So if I would have went short here, I'd just do the stop loss right there. Or it could even be up here, I guess. Maybe CE. First take profit would just be a 2R. Boom. And then we'd be holding for what? South would be BE. And probably maybe take some more off. I don't know. We're only 7 minutes into open, so no point to rush anything. Go, shawty. Oh, we have 9. I didn't even peep. Thought we only had 8:30. We got high impact news at 9:45. It's just gonna send price where it needs to go. So yeah, I'll just wait for that. Unless something's screaming off the charts at me, but so this is a breaker. High, low, higher, high. high, low, higher, high, lower, low. It's the highest of the up close candles. Besides this, obviously, but no high. This is low-key a good short, but I'm just gonna still just chill, cause I don't like what ES is doing either, and I don't have like a great draw. I low-key just want to get in, but I'm not going to. Because the other problem is that we're at such a discount, too. But then, this here, Asia low, is still a factor with EQ in the monthly open. That might be the soup right there. Yeah, that is.
Since I was 16, ain't gon' lie, I've been crippin' and hitting. Go X, big X standing on business. Got him a bag, double up and start giving. That's when they start tripping. I hope that you listen. These niggas is grimy, they want how you living. No loving these women, they looking for tricks. Like, where was these folks in that spot with their kitchen? Or where was these folks when my pockets was empty? Where was these folks the long nights I was dealing? How you gon' want what I got and they did it? My family gon' call when they broke and I get it. As soon as you tell them no, want you to feel it. Not once that they checked on my son and I'm chilling. Depressed, I can't be with my boy every minute. I fell out with my brother, that shit hurt my spirit. But we all gotta learn, hope he change, start listening. Hope that he keep his pole on him, they spinning. The life that he living, I know that he's sinning. I got 2 little girls on the way, I've been tripping. So scarred from the love that I dub all these women. So God gave me 2, now I'm seeing it vivid. I get it, 1,000 more reasons for living. Know that I wanna check out and just give it up. How I got out of these problems, I'm rich as fuck. Hoes don't want love, all these hoes wanna tell me. These niggas ain't gangsters, just mad that they broke it fuck. Ease the pain when I drink out that double cup. Only time that I'm hurt when I sober up. Smile in your face, but I swear that's a cover up. Rapping my pain, this the shit that y'all wanted. Like, where was these folks in that spot with their kids? Or where was these folks when my pockets was empty? Where was these folks the long nights I was dealing? How you gon' want what I got and they did it?
I'm gonna try and short this if I can. I'll just buy up here if I can get filled.
When you're going after your dreams and you're trying to be successful in life, you're going to miss out on a lot of things, man. You're going to miss out time with your kids, your loved ones, the people that's close to you. But you got to make them sacrifices in order to get where you want to get at in life. I'm telling you, there's a lot of things you're going to have to do. There's a lot of things you're going to have to let go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I get stopped, I'm half size. I like the RR too. Our first take profit isn't until down here. Really? And then this is down here as well. I think 945 is going to be a volatility driver. I was going to short right here at equilibrium, which I probably should have, but I didn't want to be too, what's it called? Too picky. I'm not going to take any off until down here, I think. Yeah. If it holds, of course. What up, Eric? I'm trusting this SMT up here, but if I get ran, I get ran, right? Be a $200 L. Yeah, I want to be a part of this 945 volatility injection if I can. Unless I'm wrong. But we closed below these down close candles as well. So, but let it do its thing. Yeah, I'm offsides, I think. Maybe not. Need to see some speed though somewhere. How many points is from here to here? I might just take full off here and just call it a day. I don't like how we're not moving so far. We gotta get through here. Whoops. Wicks are gaps, right guys? And then you can see the unicorn setup acting as resistance here. We take out this low, I'm going break even. Yeah, I'm going BE for sure. I want to see some speed through this area. We get stopped for BE, we get stopped for BE. But I'm not taking any off. One, because it's only an eval. And two, we're in a discount of this range still. And I want London low. Or Asia low. Yeah, I'm BE. If this comes all the way back up in here, I don't really want to be in the trade. But it can come up slightly, right? Because ES has this imbalance. But really, this should not come all the way back up in here if we're going to go lower. I mean, if it does, it does, right? But I'm protected. We're all protected. I am 1 point in profit. So, looks like we're going to get hit BE. But not a bad trade whatsoever. Still didn't even take out this first initial low that I wanted to initially partial at, but Discord link, I have one, but it's kind of just like, it's right here. This is my personal one for all my own journaling, and then I have this. I eventually want to go paid, excuse me, but I will have a free section, but it's not like finished yet either. And as you can see, this is like one of my good friends. This is one of my good friends, and so is this. So this is just like 3 guys who are in here. Oh, damn. Look at that, fellas. What up, Freddy? This is good. It's exactly what we wanted to see. Now we want to see speed through this low. See, when we have, like, and realistically, we should have had a better entry, right? Should have been up here. And you know, feel free to take however much off as you guys want. I will take some off if ES takes out its London or Asia low before. Nice job, you know. Good stuff, bro. I still want this low. Let's see. Am I at a 2R? Oh, this is the 2R right here. 29 points. I'm just gonna hold my joint. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Because if ES sells off even a little bit, NQ is most likely just gonna fall. And I like this immediate rebalance right here. If we close bearish on this candle, that's great. I want to see this close bearish like that. And 950 macro just started. Hopefully we go lower. But now this entire up close candle should act as resistance in my eyes. I will take some. Yo, how do I have that? How do I not have that thing on Top Step X? I need to add that thing where I can sell some manually. I don't know how to do that. I believe in the trade, but my internet keeps cutting out, and I don't like not being able to manage it. Yeah, see, that's not a good problem to have. Okay, that's exactly what I want to see. Add components. Is it orders? No, it's not. Orders. Is it this one? Why is it so small? This is really high resistance. Why? Unless I'm just offside. Needs to be longer. Nope. Wrong thing. Nope. Wrong thing again. Oh, it's this. Order. Ah, thank you. MNQ. Nope, not 13. No. Alright, cool. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't looking so hot. I'm probably gonna get stopped break even. Thank you, Jackson. Appreciate it. No, there's nothing wrong with taking profits, bro. I thought we were gonna get this pretty quickly, but I'm wrong, and I'm gonna get BE'd most likely. But what's it called? Hopefully not, obviously. But I thought this was gonna be kind of low resistance liquidity, but I guess not, especially since it's delivering from a unicorn setup. But it did already take out this low, so that's why it's kind of like a lower probability short. I like to be in before London lows, but might get rid of this fib now. Yeah, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. I should have taken this with 10 contracts, low key. Then I would have been able to take off 5, but quick question, why weren't you waiting for the 50-minute FVG to get ran through? After I might not even get stopped out, so we'll just talk about it. This right here, this one, Oh yeah, ES is turning up. Yeah, so that one that I was showing. Pretty high resistance. No, this fair value gap has like no significance really. And but the reason I was like whenever you have bullish PD weight. All right, we got stopped. I don't have any orders to cancel, do I? Why can't I put this on like the side of my screen? Oh. Hey, there it is. Alright, well, we got stopped, but I'm glad I pulled the trigger because exactly what I wanted to see happened, but just the delivery was poor, right? And that might mean two things. We're either offside with the drawn liquidity, which looks like we are as of right now. And the other reason is we're inside of some bullish PD arrays as well. But this 15-minute PD array, if London expands, then normally New York will retrace, and then we'll have a reversal as well. Like, it'll retrace and then expand again. And so, this 3 a.m. low is not protected, also because of just the rapid expansion away from midnight opening price. So all of this has to get rebalanced. And so the lowest hanging fruit is London low, which is 3 a.m. It didn't stop me out. Stop me out. Maybe you got a better fill than me. I got filled at 40.75. 40.75. So regardless, it would have stopped me out. Nice, yeah. I should have been short. I told myself to go short inside of the EQ of this. I keep doing that on this platform. If I get stopped out because I didn't wait, that's gonna be cheeks, but it's alright. If it goes without me, it goes without me. I'm not re-entering. What leg was I using? This? I think I was using this leg. Yeah, I was using that, and then this 30-second fair value gap. Could have went short up here or anywhere higher. Wouldn't have been stopped. Got one con with stop at B, TP at plus 50. I'm fine. Probably gonna call it just because my internet keeps freezing up. Do whatever works for you, bro. If you're having internet issues, I'd probably call it too. But yeah, that's why I was hesitant to even short this in the beginning, but since we had everything that I wanted and we're not even in a discount of the last range, that's why I still think this is all going to get ran and then we get in here. But I'm still trying to figure out why days won't retrace to premium and discount, and some days they will, myself. So now I'm kind of just hands off again. But I should have been in off this move. This is the one I wanted. You guys see the difference between the price action, right? This was London 3 a.m. low right here. This black line. Right? Low resistance. Look at the candle bodies delivering, and then look at what we were just inside of. Right? Same kind of thing. So that's why I was initially going to take off here. But I did really think it was going to get through, but all the SMT over here as well made it harder. And we're in a discount of the current dealing range, like not of this dealing range. Like this is our equilibrium standpoint. We're just below midnight and below 8:30. So normally it means you're underbought. That's also why I was kind of hesitant to take this, but I thought we were going to have another draw on liquidity, but I don't know. Plus 300 at 311. Don't usually trade 930 to 10, so don't usually take anything I can get. Perfect, bro. You can't complain about 300 bucks. That's what I would have been up max. I guess I could have taken some off out of 2R, but wasn't really interested. I thought that news was really going to take us, but it did not. Oh, we have 10. Yeah, news at 10. And all of this will most likely get repriced too rapidly because there's liquidity voids if we go higher. Got stopped. Yeah, it's all good. And now I don't like this price action again, right? Same kind of thing with yesterday.
Hey, slip, slide, trying to provide for me. For me. For me. Find me somewhere out in. Pulled up, sipping on drink. Told them that I quit, but I can't.
Who made this?
Yeah, I think I'm done unless we inverse the 925 5-minute for longs or show willingness to go lower. Don't want to try anything here. Yeah, definitely got to get over this wick right here. For sure. If this high gets broken, I'm probably going to go higher. We just stabbed into that 15-minute gap. So we kind of, if we don't just stab and respect it, like that, we're going to go higher. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought was going to happen. I'm going to go long off this breaker. Stop loss at the low of this. And it's that 1-minute inversion. Whoops. Why is my top step X so laggy? And why am I always so dumb with this? I'm trying to figure out my RR before I even get in this trade. So, what about the 2-minute? Yeah, I'm going to go long right here. Half size. Stop sell. Oh. Hello? Why is this so goddamn light? Not that it mattered. Why is this so light? Anybody else having problems? Is it my internet? Thank God I got filled. Jesus, that could have been bad. I was retarded. Wait, let's go up here. Limit. Wait, why is it telling me to sell? I'm trying to buy one. I don't even have a buy option. Filled and ran in the same candle. I don't even care about that. Probably, maybe I'm not wrong, but this entire thing's a breaker. But why is this? Why can't I even buy? Hello? How much did I lose? Hopefully not more than I wanted to. Okay, good. It filled me properly, thankfully. I can't even go long. I mean, I guess I can buy market. That's stupid. Wait, was I I took an L, but Top Step X, bro. Hell yeah. I think. Yeah, I don't know. This price action's weird. I'm gonna stay hands off. That's why I went half size. I might have been faked out by this move. This might be a fake low because it wasn't even created at 950. And that's kind of what was going through my head earlier. And we're still inside of this breaker. Yeah, unicorn setup. Yeah, I don't really want to trade when it's like this. I should have looked at the higher time frame too. Save myself from a $160 L. Cuz I don't want to long when it's not didn't take this low out, cuz then if I get stopped, I'm like I just did. I'm like, "Oh yeah, I should have just waited." Yeah, this went right here. All it did was come back into the EQ, right? But that's not what you want to see when you're trading a breaker. That's why I always buy off the opening price or the wick. So that's what's making me seem like I'm wrong. We got a bearish change in the state of delivery. SMT at the high. This high should not be broken now. If we get a candle close below here, I'm going to go short. Targeting what we were originally targeting. If I can with Top Step X, we'll see. Whoops, wrong one. I might just stay hands off. I don't like this wicking garbage. Yeah. I think I'm going to chill. Keep watching until something screams at me. I don't want to keep trading this range. Yeah, I was going to say, it'll probably show up as a loss. That's pretty funny that it... Have I been limit selling the whole time? It's been filling me as a long? I didn't even notice earlier. I want to short this so bad, but this price action's weird. So I think I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna paper trade it if I can, because there's nothing wrong with that, right? Why can't... Oh, here. But this is exactly kind of what I wanted to see. Let's sell one there. Stop loss. Want to see that stay open. This should work, but I don't like the lack of fair value gaps, bro. I told myself I'm not going to do that, so. And I don't like this range either. TP would be there. And look at that. This is like yesterday. Don't get sucked into the 1 minute, Robert. This is why save myself from a maybe loss. I'm glad I took that half sized. I think I got tricked. I got retailed right there, bro. Yeah, it's just not looking good. That shouldn't have happened. I wonder if it's just gonna keep, if it's gonna be like one of those days where it just keeps using the unicorn and then finally goes down. I don't know. I'm not interested in it though. Tesla might be pumping again here. Tesla. I don't own any Tesla. I need to use the bathroom though. Yeah, I'm very glad I listened to myself. Saved myself from an L, most likely. That is not what you want to see when you're in a short position, but you know, maybe it stops before. I will be right back though. I'm gonna use the bathroom. And there it is. Another day, another dollar. Yeah, sometimes you can just save yourself a lot of trouble on the 1 minute and just short like this. Make sure you're shorting above a premium. Your stop loss could be like up here. What would be the RR on that? Let's see. So you just short like right here. 29 point stop, and first take profit would be right here, or you could do a 2R, which would be right here. And then the final TP would be down there. But that's one of these days. Most likely it's probably going to happen. I'm going to try and take one more trade. I have a rule, if I take 2 L's, I'm done. So I got to stick to that. I've only taken one. And it's pretty small. Only lost like 160, so not bad whatsoever. And honestly, I have no idea where this is going. So that is a sign for me to not hit the button. What do we have? Do we have anything next week? Any news? Tomorrow, I don't even know if I'm going to trade. Monday, no news. 10 a.m. news. It's non-farm payroll. Oh, man. It's rough. I'm on a 50K, Eric, with Top Step. I'm relatively new to funded accounts. I think I started um like probably 8 months ago. And obviously the first few months shouldn't even really been trading on them. Should have been paper trading still because I was learning ICT, etc. And I didn't blow them, but it took me forever to pass my first account. Not forever. I mean, I guess that's a really long time. It took me like 2.5 months to pass my first account. And I think I blew it once and then passed. Actually, I never blew my first account. It just I had to pay for it for 2.5 months. And then I got my first Top Step account I got to pay out with. It was nothing crazy. Then I blew that account after, you take out the 50% because that wasn't even sized properly. I should have been using 5 micros. Um, and then the next one I took, then I blew a few. Then you renew them, whatever. I blew a few evals. They renewed. And then what's it called? I passed another XFA, or passed another one, got an XFA, and then I blew that one in like 2 days. And that was like a few months ago, and that was because my emotions, my mental, and everything was not where it needed to be at all. Whatsoever. I'm gonna try this half size. Might not get filled. This might be a breakaway gap, but I'm gonna try it out. Actually, I'm gonna wait just to see if this fair value gap gets left. Just to see if there's an inefficiency. Because if there's not, then yeah, see. I don't know. Yeah, nah. I'm gonna chill. This should hold. I don't like when there's not fair value gaps. I just I just don't. And look at all the SMT everywhere. It's just sloppy. Why do I want to engage? I would much rather just wait if we could get another pop above here and then get in like that, but they're just still stuck in the range. We are almost an hour into open. I'd want this to work though, at least into this pool of liquidity, right? See if that could even be a profitable trade. 20 points. 1.3. I guess people do that all the time. I don't trade like that though. And once again, breakers should be hitting them and then going. Look at the 4-hour volume imbalance. Right here. Yeah. Rate. We left a failure swing too, right? Should see lower, yeah, we should. Thankfully, I don't think Top Step X lagging anymore. Let's see. Nah. Maybe if I complain, they'll reset my loss. I'm gonna I'm gonna DM them later today. Yo, hello guys. Top Step X froze. I couldn't cancel my orders. I actually might be able to get away with that. That'd be hilarious if so. I know so many people are gonna be doing that today, especially if somebody blew their account. Let's go short here off this inversion. Yeah, like, I mean, if there was a fair value gap here, bro, I'd probably take this. But I don't know. We're still in the range, bro. Yesterday and today. And stopped out. There you go. Perfect. I'm telling you, it's gonna be one of these days where it probably just, I don't even know. I'm just assuming that it's probably just gonna keep bouncing. It's just probably gonna keep repricing from up here. And you know how, see, this is how um when I was trading on a my funded futures funded account, I took like a bunch of losses. One, I didn't listen to my rule about um my 2 trades for the day. And so I had a day like this where we were just sitting inside of 2 bearish PD rays, and I was just continuing to hit the button on one little 1 minute setups that I thought were going to continue to work. Just kept getting stopped out over and over and over, just like this. That's why I'm just hitting paper trade, just to fix whatever, right? Just because I was like, oh, let's see if this works, right? Didn't work. Didn't think it was going to work. Once again, SMT, all this stuff. I just don't trade, please. Just do yourself a favor. Until this clears up, please don't hit the button. That's why I'm just sitting here in paper. I'm actually going to close this just so I don't even get tempted. This is just horrific. I mean, look at the 15-minute candles. Once again, I'm just going to stay on the 5-minute actually for both once again so I don't get tempted. But, you know, here we are. Once again, same thing as yesterday. If the, oh, let's see. You have $60 of, bro, what? Is that from you? Is that like an old account? Ideally, this high doesn't get broken because it's the SMT high on the 15-minute. Worked on it all week. Oh, okay. So now let's see if this. Yeah, here we go. We got more SMT again. Every move. Yeah, I mean HP, bro. It happens, bro. Like, how long you been trading? Is it finally gonna send? Or I don't even care. Let me look. I'm trying to check out yesterday because I'm trying to see the, because it chopped all morning. No, this is today. Yesterday chopped all morning. Hit that previous day low, bounced, and then we reversed, and then had the actual move at that 1050 macro. That's what I'm gonna wait for. I think. Let's go back to our dual screen. Maybe we're finally gonna get some delivery. Just this year. Yeah, I mean, just take the XFAs slow, cause you did all the hard work, right? Like passing the combine. Now you're in the, now you're in the actual stage. So just take it easy. I would size down to 5 MNQ, and just focus on base hits. Just get in and out, right? 2R, 1.5R trades over and over and over. But it sucks blowing an XFA. But the one thing is just don't become afraid of trading the XFA, right? Because then if you do that, like what happens when you ever switch to a personal account? It's gonna get real ugly if you're scared to trade prop money. It's gonna be rough when you're trading your actual portfolio. So just that's all I can say. It's like just don't become scared of trying to lose money or of losing in general. 'Cause I was in a rough spot like 3 months ago, 2, 3 months ago, after I blew that XFA in 2 days. Literally just went on tilt both days and hit daily loss limit because I was just stupid. Hopefully nothing crazy pops up on my Twitter. Not that I follow anybody crazy, but oh, like that. Thanks, cousin. You can't improve on perfection. Where did he go short? Off the premium wick. Okay, and then he took profit right at -1. Yeah, see, this guy's goated. Let's get that off the screen. Sal's always showing love, bro. I got 3 funded accounts. It's nice if I get a win or loss on one, I can move to a different one and not have to worry about losing what I made. Or yeah, that's good, bro. I'm trying to get the 5 XFAs with Top Step, all 50Ks. Maybe not all 50Ks. I want at least 2 50Ks because I have another one renewing next month. And then I have this one that I'm trading on right now. And then the way I want to do it is the only way I'm able to even start another or like buy another activation fee, right? Have another XFA is whenever I pass my account, get funded, then I have to take a payout from one account and then I can start the next. So I'm going to trade these 2, but I'm not going to trade, like I'm going to trade the combines of the 2 that I'm on right now. This one I'm like little less than halfway, or actually a little more than halfway in passing. And once I take a payout from one account, then I can start trading the XFA on the other one. And then I think I want to trade either 100 or 150K afterwards, just to give myself more drawdown, right, on the XFA. I've never traded 100K, but I think definitely able to manage the risk now for sure. No doubt about that. I think I'm just going to take my small L, most likely. I'm going to wait for the 1050 macro, but bro, that account's cooked, bro. So you know it's bad when I'm scrolling on Twitter. I took 2 payouts and I have below 3 XFAs. Bro, it's not even a big deal, right? Like you've made probably, you know what, 5 times the money that you put in. I mean, I don't know how many times it took you to pass the account, right? But I'm sure you've made money with the payouts that you've taken out over the after the activation fees and the monthly fees. And if you've been only trading for a year, who cares? Reset the mental, start over, and go again. I mean, like, this is going to be my 2nd year of learning ICT concepts, but I learned it like all out of whack and sort. I had nobody to learn from, you know? Like I didn't have a mentor teaching me or show me where to look, what information to follow. Like 6 months ago, I had no idea how important the drawn liquidity was. And as soon as you understand on how to find the drawn liquidity and the importance of a strong drawn liquidity, that's all you need. It doesn't matter any entry technique. It doesn't matter. There's a few things that people gatekeep and that I have been told not to tell some people from one of the dudes that I now have a mentor. I do not pay him. He is a phenomenal human being. That is Mr. Dan Dow Trading on Twitter. But he's told me some things that have opened my eyes crazy. And he's asked me not to tell anybody. So out of respect, I will not tell. I have accidentally said it in a few of my YouTube videos. But that doesn't even matter. All you need is knowing, not even knowing, because you'll never know for a fact. You need an 80% chance of price hitting your draw on liquidity. And then you need an entry technique, something that you resonate with, and that is it. That is all she wrote. Yeah, see, HP, that happened to me too. And every time I think to myself like that, and that's one thing about funded accounts that it kind of forces you to think about the money. Obviously, you can change your mindset at any given time. But yeah, especially because they have like a certain winning day, right? You need like $200 for a winning day, quote unquote. Just don't let that bother you, right? Just submit to time. That's something I struggled with too when I was trading my funded futures. I took a payout from a starter account and then I lost it because I went on a losing streak. I was just taking like terrible trades, but I just kept thinking about the money. I'm like, just two more good trades and then I'll be able to take a payout. Like, you just can't think like that. It's just stupid. All it does is harm you. And I was doing that. I was catching myself do that yesterday as well, even though I'm only on a combine, right? I was like, I really only need two good trades and then I'll pass my account. It's like, then you kind of force yourself taking low probability trash trades, right? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I get you, HP. I'm telling you. You did once you get over that and then you just kind of understand like, yo, I'm here to just milk these firms. I'm here to follow my rules, more importantly, while milking these firms. Then you'll chill. But yeah, we got a nice head and shoulders forming here. Here's our head, or there's our shoulder. Here's our head. Here's our other shoulder. How do you trade this again? I forgot how to trade this. Then we're supposed to get like a continuation lower, right? Off the head and shoulders. Something like this. That's how you know price action's bad, when I'm noticing a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, but please don't trade this. Please, please, please. I'm gonna stay on till 11 o'clock. If I'm not in a trade, then I'll be ending my stream. But I want to see what the 1050 macro does, just because of this kind of thing happened yesterday, right? We chopped all through the morning, and then we expanded, and that it's called the last ditch macro, 1050 to 1110. So that's all I'm waiting for. Really, probably. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm gonna. If I even take a trade, I don't even know what I'm gonna be looking for. But I realistically don't want to trade just because I probably won't trade. I just want to see what happens. I'll just take my $160 loss. Let's check out. No, I don't even need to do that. I was gonna see how much I'm up on the week, but I don't even care because I know I'm pretty nicely green from yesterday. I think I'm up like, I don't know. I took a loss Monday. I think I'm down like little over 500 between the two losses. So I'm up like 700 on the week or something like that. Just a eval, but I'm a hound and thuggin'. Maybe I shouldn't have even sat here, bro. Someone check how the tipster's house account is doing. Bro, what is that? Yeah, that long, I got a journal that long. That was a not good. That was not a good long setup. It was either short or nothing, and I got tricked. For sure, I got tricked. I got sucked in. My autocorrect is disabled. So what do you mean? Is my friend even awake? He is. Is he in here? Yeah, he is in there. Top step. Oh, okay. Are they live? Oh, they're not even live. Oh, they are. Wait, no, they're not. Oh, they are. They go live every day. And he's down 93. He's down 640. And this guy's in a short. His exit is our entry. Thanks, Andy. Sound like ICT out here. Well, they're trading GC.
Okay, talk me into shorting this.
I'm not going to, Hogue. I'm not going to.
No, do it. Do
This
it. I
is-
want to hear.
This is, I saw some volume come in here, looking for a continuation, but again, I'm very late on this trade. So, Hogue, remember yesterday you said you're an innovator? This is me trying to be an innovator. And sometimes innovation fails. So,
Yes.
Why would you make your candles red and
I gotta
blue?
turn the
Hopefully
lights
nobody's-
on. It got dark here. Hang on.
What happened? Oh yeah.
Hang on.
Hopefully nobody's trolling you in the chat, wondering why you.
oh, that's
sold
okay. I don't
below.
care.
Bro, shorted literally the bottom.
I'm gonna move my stop. My stop's okay where it's at.
Hope it goes your way, dude.
Thanks, Hogue. I'm looking at charts. Gonna be
It is
honest,
pretty awkward taking an L in front of people, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Gold, we should have been selling the entire day.
It's pretty funny though.
So this may be a little
Earlier when I got rinsed, that was pretty funny in my head.
Don't love it.
I was kind of just triggered because top step X.
For a very long time.
Thankfully I got filled though.
Sometimes this
Gold
happens.
trade. Oh man. See this. I think I need 5 more screens. Look at this.
What happened?
Beautiful failed upside auction. Soon as that thing came back.
But
in
what am I
with
looking
overnight
at?
Inventory as long as it was, we should have been looking for that opportunity.
Bro, what?
Beautiful. I
Okay,
missed
say
so
that
much.
again. Walk through what you just.
Oh, HP, I'm hitting him with a message as soon as I end my stream, bro.
So, we got making gold from this morning.
I'm hitting him with a message as soon as I end my stream.
21 open because I can do that on this platform.
I'm telling him, yo, I did not hit that button, bro. I tried canceling my order, blah, 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 blah.
Beautiful failed upside auction.
I did start to freak out, though, for a second. I thought I was cooked. I'm not going to lie.
The overnight inventory was long because Anne-Marie, you and I have been talking about waiting for the overnight inventory to unravel to look for a potential long.
Yep.
Overnight inventory was long
Yep.
all night. Market opened, didn't see continuation, left a failed upside auction. That was enough. Take all of those overnight longs, get them nervous to light the fire to the downside. Basically, I mean, the market has taken us back down to 27.35 half, which was last week's high.
Do you message them on X or what? No, you just hit them up on Top Step. You just hit like you have to go through Windy Bot or whatever. I'll probably get denied, but I don't necessarily care. They might credit me back though, just because it was like an actual server issue.
In essence, Anne Marie,
Yeah.
it is.
Hey, you could just I'll just do it now.
Look at all
I don't care. I'll do it on stream.
Hey, Anne Marie, really quick.
I don't think it's gonna show anything crazy.
Of your, just pull up or maximize your screen of gold when you are in the gold trade, if you don't mind.
this
Okay,
purple
when I get into the gold trade, right now I'm in.
No thanks.
crude.
Right now I'm in the.
Oh, crude. Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
No worries.
So this is the low of the gap that was created between the 14th and the
How do you
session gap.
what's Coach T?
Resistant,
Your screen.
supportive.
I forgot how to do this, bro. I haven't done this in a bit.
Yeah, I don't see your screen. Let's get your
Okay.
screen now. Yeah.
There it
sorry.
is. So this
Am I dumb?
Purple line, this purple box
Help
is
center.
the gap
Boom.
From the 14th of October to the 15th of October. Session gap. We had a hard time
Windy.
getting into it.
There he is.
We got into it, but the bottom of it was supported.
Ask a question.
Move to the other direction.
I
But you don't want to risk a lot on this.
what happened?
Hey, we got 1,000 lot here. 5850, 5850, 1400 offered. 5850 in the ES, 1400 offered. Big size. In the S&Ps.
Right in the middle of the range. What the heck?
I tried to cancel my order and got immediately filled and stopped out.
Henry, I almost feel like you want to time stop this. Doesn't turn and start
Okay.
hitting you pretty quick.
But your platform was freezing
Very close to the low of the day. 70.32,
Profile
70.13.
and I got immediately filled and stopped out.
nuances are all to the short side, Henry.
Is there an explanation for this?
5850.
Yeah.
Bro, got the Van Cleef bookmarked. Yeah. It's not for me though. I would not wear that, but it's a gift.
Stuck, right? Here's 1400, so 15.
Eventually I want it to be a gift, you know what I'm saying?
Talked about shorting up there, Jay, and we didn't do anything.
We know it's for you. I wouldn't wear it. I don't like them. Hello, Rob Trades. What's going on, Alex Trades? That. Oh yeah, you said that T.
JD, come on in.
Yeah, how much are these now? Let's see.
JD, what's up, man? We got the size order here in the SP.
Yeah, this is the one I liked. This is the one I wanted to get. Eventually, for somebody in my family, but
It's all good.
I think they're for women. But you know, men can wear them. I don't know if I would pay for this though. Low key, that's crazy. They have watches? Yeah, 16K is crazy. This is kind of cool. Why would you not just go buy like a nice Rolex for 16 grand?
Anne Marie, what's the number gonna
What's high jewelry?
Oh, you know what? I'm so terrible at this.
I don't like the necklaces. I only like the bracelets for women. But
960.
1.1.
lucky animals? Why is this even so expensive? These aren't even like diamonds, are they?
Nick for a tick, yeah. Nick for a tick.
It's not even telling me prices. That's nice.
Say 1.2, 1.3.
16 grand? What is it made out of?
Yeah, 1.26.
I guess. Jesus. Never mind, bruh. God damn.
Average payout almost $2,100. Average payouts steadily
Did what's his face get it? Bro, where did Top Step go, bruh?
New normal.
pretty impressive.
Oh, I clicked out of them, huh?
JD, are we gonna do 5 days? Are we gonna do 5 days over a mill this week? We do it tomorrow?
McLang is here. Forward planning. Alex Trades. Who's McLang?
We've if we're over a mil tomorrow, the Monday,
Bro, where'd my message go, bruh?
What's in the pipeline today? Can't really predict it, but I would assume the way we've been going, we only had one day under a million last week.
I think this is the week.
A million crazy. Week.
I should have copied that message, bro. I gotta type another fake message, bro. Thinking. I guess you could literally just play this like both times. Like SMT, short, stop at the high, take profit here. Same thing, SMT at the high. Candle closer below here. Short here. Take profit at the low. But I just don't want to be a part of that. Get more help. Why is it telling me to sign in? Am I not signed in? Oh, is that why? Oh my god, bruh. Wasn't even logged in? Dog. No, it's not even why. They scammed me too. Oh my god, bruh. Yo, Alex, did you trade? Yes, up 265. What'd you take? I was in here short. Um, right here. I got short right here. I was targeting this low. Got BE'd. Then I got tricked by this. Went long off of the 3-minute breaker. Literally got filled and stopped out in the same candle, like right here. But my top step X did actually freeze. It was retarded. Would have got stopped out regardless. But I'm just trying to see if they'll give me some bread back. If they'll give me my bread back. But if not, it's not a big deal. And we're in that 1050 macro. Yeah, this is probably grits for me. I'm not going to trade. Shorted 333 and covered at 318. Or 336. What time? Took a small L beforehand. Nice. About to go play some tennis, no cap. Yeah, I'm not trading this. This probably worked eventually, but I'm good. Connect me to an agent, bruh. Well, well, well. What a great trading day. Oh man, maybe tomorrow will be better. 10:26 ish. $3.36. Bro, I don't get how you even trade. You just see this candle going down and you just go short. $3.36 to 18. How many points is that? 18. Yeah, bro. Like 18, yeah. Bro, what even is that? Bro. Alright, bro. They got my message. This guy just got face ripped by his short. Wait, no way he added.
Session was 58, 74, 75. We got shook out.
See you later, Alex Trades. I'm about to close my thing anyways. I'm about to get off. I'm not going to trade this. This is how I blow my accounts. So, and I understood that. Wish I would have had a little more discipline not to take this long. I got sucked in, but it's all good. Peace out, Alex. I'll be live tomorrow if I trade. If I do stream, as always, the link will be on my Twitter. If you guys subscribe and put on notifications, you'll get a notification, and it will be posted in Desi's Capital as well. This is terrible price action. I took a $160 L. Maybe I'll get it back later from Top Step. But other than that, I managed my risk. Hope you guys had a great day. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.